Welcome back to Torque Update, where we spotlight the latest and greatest rides. Today, let's explore the third-generation 2026 Audi Q3, a compact SUV that has been completely overhauled inside and out, bringing modern styling, technology, and a fresh powertrain lineup. Stepping into the new Q3, you immediately sense it's Audi, but it's sharper, more confident, and noticeably upgraded. You'll feel its evolution through refined handling, quieter cabin, enhanced tech interfaces, and a sense that Audi is raising the bar for its entry-level luxury crossover. The Q3's exterior takes bold inspiration from its larger siblings. It features a wide single-frame grille with sharper shape, slim split-matrix LED headlights perched above tinted housings, and a body that looks broader and more athletic despite only incremental size gains. Strong shoulders and flared wheel arches, plus sleek LED taillights connected by a light bar, make this SUV unmistakably modern. Optional digital OLED taillights, animated micro-LED elements, and an illuminated Audi badge bring a futuristic edge. Wheels now range from 17 to 20, and new exterior colors like sage green and Madeira brown add personality. Inside, Audi delivers a sweeping dashboard highlighted by a curved digital stage, an 11.9 virtual cockpit, and a 12.8 central touchscreen, both powered by Android Automotive OS. You can even download third-party apps directly via the Audi App Store, and voice control is AI-driven. Unique Audi quirks include a column-mounted gear selector stalk and a combined indicator/wiper control on the left, freeing up space on the center console for roomy storage, dual USB-C ports, and a cool 15W wireless charger. Materials are premium and eco-conscious. Recycled polyester fabrics, Econo flooring, and optional Alcantara or wood trim. A Sonos 12-speaker sound system, 30-color ambient lighting, and acoustic glass for front windows deliver luxury touches. Audi offers multiple powertrain options globally. A 1.5L turbo petrol with mild hybrid support, delivering 148 horsepower and cylinder deactivation. A 2.0 LTFSI turbocharged engine, producing 261 horsepower and standard quattro all-wheel drive in U.S. markets. A plug-in hybrid combining the 1.5L engine and electric motor for 268 horsepower, 295 lb-ft, and up to 75 miles of EV range. Diesel and hybrid diesel variants are available overseas, though not initially in the U.S. Drivetrain configurations vary by market, with front-wheel drive for entry trims and all-wheel drive for higher output models. The 2026 Audi Q3 was unveiled in June 2025 for Europe, with production in Hungary and Germany beginning later in 2025. U.S. deliveries are expected in early 2026, positioned between the BMW X1, Mercedes GLA, and Volvo XC40. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed in the U.S., but industry sources estimate starting around $38,000 to $40,000 for the base model, with high-trim variants, adaptive suspension, digital lighting, and Sonos sound reaching into the upper $40,000 or low $50,000 range. The 2026 Audi Q3 impresses with a blend of sharper design, high-tech interiors, flexible powertrains, and refined driving dynamics. It maintains the compact dimensions and practicality customers expect while upgrading luxury and perhaps slightly raising the bar in price. For the segment, if you're as excited about the new Audi Q3 as we are, go ahead and smash that like, ring the bell, and subscribe to Torque Update for smarter, sharper reviews and head-to-head comparisons. Let us know in the comments, which engine or trim do you want to try out first? Catch you on the road.